afei nso so ko senya amamu bone ne niam ekoso de ankeye se santima mu de ye ne tumfo se tutu abebio santima niwra ye ne nete nti ya ne mane ya ne nananum de akwa bia so senia emu badwo na yema no nti o hwemaye twedi ampon de atunsupa eguga na nyina so abebia ka santima New Patriotic Party ya santima na komadua no ye ya hoboa yesisi ho se party ni nyina so se be rebuild ni ade nyina santima so echefa ewo na bidu achi a menchia amemetie fo ana adwa na dwi na memo abaso if you say koma wadi ansa na mebetena si eka koma na du ba bia ya yam hye senior tibia ye be trega na fo to New Patriotic Party members and sympathizers say obia kana comment niem ehu die nanso enye hu kase pisa kopem say na no ayekoyi Dr Bawumia, His Excellency the former vice president as flag bearer no de in Kenya and in Kranshebia ba nyina yemu ede di pefe say onyame asikusu a wosiesie no emrepam no obedanadi na onegana fo abedi kuta ho afei nso so New Patriotic Party yate ho ase nkugu eba ye no mfumso ba bia wo bia ne ade ye de ato yachi ye hwe se betintim ye ne maye ye sisi ye na ye enu nti pani de ne magu akwemu a ye hye edwumadi ase de dikan no be polling station executives na de to so be electoral area coordinators ye pe power na fe ya power constituency executive nso area ne aba regional for and sana ya ba national for so na isanse me sa ginabria ye ka nyina na dimo akotene ma ye polling station executive chairman ewo polling station A line North Central so electoral area enumu me be ye electoral area coordinator ewo North Central so Bantama Pesia so and sana me be ye Bantama chairman for 2 terms enumu ana President J Kufo Sabre no oye me government appointee ewo Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly penifo hwedi no ye me finance and administration committee chairman nti miguso amidi juma no ana Sabre no regional chairman ano e friend Ura Amankwa oye me Ashanti regional finance committee chairman nti penifo onsemu bie no mo party no a omo committee no omu nyina me nanam da no Sabre na abrante kwa Bantama chairman nini kapre nso eskafu ku no menam da no so no next no be Ashanti regional reconciliation committee chairman and sana me be Ashanti regional elections committee chairman ni nyina makwa adwumade ye na afi nso nipa susu se meeting mayo me ye bia nso a ho nsunsanso papa ba enti ni nyina na mesan communication team member both Central Region and National for the past 25 years. It is a ne ye nhye ekosi a na se mama ni di akire na mema afoforo etiase na ye hye won kran se mfa ho ne ba bia ye dua wa free ye dua wo ne as polling station executive for New Patriotic Party una hu se wo fom pa nanso se odin se yo ye adwuma na yire wo na pija wo a wo be ba betra de kwa bremedri me example typical example okay. If you say polling station for nyina hu me say omunua na me omudia electoral area coordinators nyina hu say ye depenie constituency executive constituency chairman nyina hu say one of us any and some assembly members so say yenso ye die ni na fi oba regional level a Ashanti region jumedi amedi ho enne mpanin say menya hopoa na mesremra national if you say the aka no my bro masuetwa nti akase nkwa abutire no onyame de bebome enu nti se de o kan na de tudwa no nyame ya dom na party no ebie ne hihye ne ade a I'll be the next general secretary of New Patriotic Party. If you say I'll contest. Na nyafi na 7 prediasa maybe to me ho and I maybe da me ho edidi akire. I'm saying me. Bia issues kakra bi na bia my address matise bi so honorable kokofu ye too gentle na o ahobrase
ye be di san komo ni nyina but obi bisa say obi wo fi obi bisa say normal wa fifa mu party mu ni position ahodo a wa hodu wo party mu free something I was start here e wa asante mantem no e den na the two table no so ma MPP say ne wo beti don say si ubo so say ye ka MPP as a political party a me contribution
ye titi anokra de unkwa gina no abua polling station executive chairman sabre no mu no unim say na abato nwie mu wo papa na NDC ehunahuna nomne ade ya to aba ni be wi ballot box nomne ade so as a chairman sabre no mikuta master's degree na police
of a me be pancho betuma join on Facebook live social media handles in ya adwuma positions ahodo a hodi ne an achievement a wa ye ediama MPP as a political party ni nyina ho nto betuma kenkan bi we nyesuma sigwa na abedina asi nti ni nyina go ho ovenko
nti so we a polling station executive na ye beto aba na a polling station agent there na chese so mo ani da ho nti bantaman so de ye mfani agro eno no menanti mu a ye adwuma bedru mpempenso bi electoral coordinator na me ye chairman nti ye to aba wi na so ye twen Florida votes ye twen bantama votes na o manu nyina atadi sabre ne bi num say ye sebe motia bi ana srabofo bi ana osifo be yi nkonya da bi ejumaden na chise kwamra kokofu ene ne mrante ene ne mabawa e wo bantama na ye adwuma no e de boa New Patriotic Party eno na chi no ya pija party na ni monyam pija santemai wa santemai ni bebia as bantama team. I've dominated bantama politics for over a decade into 15 years. Na sa umunya dine na seven previous unim dia you can't do that in bantama. Nya dia over survive. If you say bantama politics as I say we will be a sebe unim dia na umudru. Enti Asante region so ma kanchiro. As emtimi dijuma na ntawantawa wo Asante memu party num na kuya boa hwe aboa me na me secretary ni timi ye mane ye yia na ntimi mo party no na se ekoto aba wo Asante memu na ayedenden na ehu na enye obi amfre no na chief justice chief of staff sabre no efre kwabna wo ba besen na ko Asante mem na monkohwe na elections no mo fa ye ntu ye as secretary to the committee na Asante regional minister Ira Simon Semensa caucus chairman honorable onuna no ye chair for the committee ye kabum ne ye adwuma na nte no memoae ebi wo Asante mem na abato nhihye mu ehia sika ese nkwancha ade efe disika na ye pe mpenifo aboa no no mayi kakra ntobo aba na committee no nyina ona ada no na ahwe masa adwumadie no koso na mpa sika timi ba na de ye adwuma nti omuaye that's the point afi die na esombo na esefata na ese nipa nyina ate. It's about communication. For a long time, your party, your de kasa and kasa mafu edi agrache. Sisi ya oti hey, be no better hey. The past 20 minutes, a juma waye through kasa ubi kuta millions isheni butuma untimi fanyes. Sunhunsu sansu untimi masa. Ubi ni pajunim. Dia hintano o mana dirty nchiremu bi ene nhunu bi o wa wode ma ni nyina no wadwe mpo no nyansa ene wakokoduro ene sebe wa hoode a wode ye no ere ane entamu hu akonta papa but for kokofu to speak and defend and protect the sanctity of the party up to this point 25 years into bezoches onyeri
right I want to come back say obi a wa rise ya pija wo party no a obi an ko be ka say communication mabre me man kra nye so what sama party why
because masede New Patriotic Party and na mon central for the ubo force ana madaroma mu pija me medu baby amedu e bia kunya me kra nya yan ko be me sofo nyame nyaa anka bi obey me ahemfo yi bi ana nyame nyaa anka obey me bi different but mo any New Patriotic Party ma me a kwan se me a politician in Ghana na nya politician asebe wakana no atum na wamuna nanim na yantini tirimu asem so da yakura obi ntimi nchiremu so politician na utimi tu no husi abonten mbunu kwa wokobi mpanini kwa wokobi ehemfu sinku nyane etrase akasa okabi ana wombi so nuti esumbo mame na sesa we nyina nyame adome na matimi aye na ma rise akodru the position of friend is a member of parliament for Bantama, matimi abe CEO for Environmental Protection Agency, matimi abe presidential special envoy for Climate Vulnerable Forum. Iwiasi nyina climate hunsem United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. Yekushia amama yekushia ni yedin kutahwa na kwabna kokofu the technical friend is a head of our delegation. Na itimi wiase hume wiase tieme na mensumiti ni wiase mpanifo di nkutahwa na kyese esombu yie pa ma me na eno ana mehwe hu di nam se dabi the New Patriotic Party dia ya ma me no bredu se ana bre wo ho se menso me ye bi edema party no na nchirima na eba no metimi nya kwan na metete won boa me yetete won no so so ye de wo fa niema bu e friend mentorship ene ade coaching na dan kwa me bia na ija hokwa na onso abesi ana you may recall say a party e tu hu a cha adwuma ene ade ye na nanom ye ma me ne papa no ma e de won kra won sika no bibia ni munyam age party si ho age tradition si ho dodo na ewu awrehom ebi wu hiam efise wani ehunu tumi da o ma ni ho faso da enuti on pa wo ho achi age tradition is here and then me no utie me na me no a won so wo hwe me na New Patriotic Party member na ya andaje ko for his excellency yetimi aba ba mu 2 terms and then another Dankwa Akufo-Addo his excellency ya ba 2 terms ye hwe ani mu se Dr Bawumia beba abem na yakwa abem etosum ne prensa so se yen yetimi aba abem anya hwimpo ho ani munyam ne ho mframa afa ye ho asida na ese de manyame dum pempenso bi a na aba mubu aba na kaskasa aba kasa atwie ntenie ma anya hwe ma anyese nanso Tronika say count your blessings and name them one by one nanu na obi hu de onyame waye ye koye nim feda no nim so bebisa me ba mamfa wento ye ntimi nkwatida je kofo administration legacies are ujadema or my Ghana. We can never forget and move away from the legacies of Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo. A bread says ye buoni nyina no. Nani a ompetie no. Yempe kwa pebi ne ne nkasa no ompentie. De wachi na so ompese o de beye adwuma no ana obeji atomu no yempe kwa pebi na onyentum. Na enam so ebema Dr Bawumia na adwuma yemre. Enunti wa wo hwe me be kame ho betie me na yitua na mo na nia ye yede maje kufo his excellency man ye bon to aba man no man be ye president of the republic no hom ani gidi a ye nya ye de ta na Nado Dankwa Akufo-Addo achi e bon paye emu odin ye adwumaden man no man be ye president no sa hom ni gidi na nkasa da hotie mu empeja ye na nhye yende na Dr Bawumia onu so yanyama no de be ye
right
e be ye
of amedia menanti kromo men na obisa kokra about me frame 3 year me say menam me bom me bro mo me bra
sa
me bom me bra no so mo ne bra mo onya me frame
ese president hwe no tua oka chief watchman
the me titire sen kaman for se call national chairman why general secretary and then at the back table no so for MPP for to recapture power in 2028
oh ebinim credit ka as a flag bearership race in coming kobi want to say ebinim zukra me koya Asante regional chairman
running mate krama
bibia but bibia sefata be betimi aye nanso osoro na kasa odi bi wasem tu nyame anim na obusana enti penina eba manaso ye unyi masutire se baby edro no party na ho de ni nyina so nyina national secretariat na wo enti so what NPP constitution or ha oko article 10 I think clause 7 or so. Ubehu Article 10 is a national organization. Ubehu se okon 7 hona expel out general secretary
duties.
Yeah, a national secretariat. Na general secretary no una we coordinator of the national secretariat. Na nyumadia national secretariat need and it's a polling station who adwuma electoral area, constituency, regions, they say special groups, afi branches, amanone branches in the diaspora nyina. You wo na coordinate na ohwe ni nyina. So more or less, a CEO of the party who now we are the chief executive officer, administrative work, day-to-day activities. It means so one will say I don't know bobo ebobo na ba na akoshasi every polling station. Me so my polling station chairman pay. Now call electoral area coordinator. Me so my electoral area my coordinator or pay. Now ba constituency my constituency chairman pay. Aba region my region mo adwuma na pay. Afi national anaka. National no crowd me say my member of Constitution Review Committee pay.
Yeah.
Under the chairmanship of Honorable Afenyo Makin, the minority leader. Yes. And Tinache said ma cover all the grass at that point. Then when it talks about coordination, the day-to-day running of the place, they just always a chief executive. Meso ma chief executive wo EPA Environmental Protection Authority pay. I just me record head hodin adwuma me koye no. Nanka EPA obinti na obinim na obinsusu. Kwamna kokofu na nadu dan kokofu ad na da mo de me call ho mitimi koye ma ne aye han amobi ehu. I wo public accounts committee or parliament. Many munyame bebre. And also crowd them anyamfa me dem the staffer wo EP any president or no appointee me ho and am decide munyam ne ma ho. And today say I tick all the boxes. Ebinom so say there be a drone ye pay obi our parliamentary experience. Sebi ni fie kwa anim no ye matured. No betumi amachi yenuanom ana your opponents NDC for omu leadership line no. It is will be a matured ni fie kwa anim na nanim onyam na nipa fere no nipa tie no kase mu ni ade na just that also me take box no na say ye pay ubi our parliamentary experience there. So na otwa fufu amana tonkwem. Mate see woni bi asimasin so e parliament bi ko parliament. But parliamentary experience na demu ahodo. E bi obno he on fa wadwen course. Parliamentary experience. Me parliament 2013 to 2017. Na ye were opposition. Enti me ye ma feel opposition MP. Senior ye adwuma wo parliament na yetimi pre free opposition mu ba abamu no me your experience and to be or no call parliament na your power na chiche post no nya bi no enjoy incumbency no no need the same experience. What you say and the party running the ma manage kese se me adwuma no kra party running do na anim minim se abefu numa 3 report the executive, the legislature, that's parliament, and then the party, national party itself. So opposition amuna yemienu na esemo prayer na moye adwumade na mona ba akono beka ho na mona ba akono beka ho a wa azumu tumi ono ye ka akire no tumi ni nyina akono ho so wa hwe ya
executive powers no. That's
the point. As we speak I opposition ye na yemienu. We have the national party and the parliamentary party. And there must be a coordination. National party no and the parliamentary party no. Na yetimi ye adwumaden, na yetimi ba bam na wo government. That will be the third leg. Now nyaba na sue president ni impe. Ubon se 2 minutes nyina akodi eho. Na 2 minutes kodi ho a ehia maturity any sense of belonging ubetimi agina party na name na yetimi a negotiate and na yetimi anya balance between the executive, the national party and then the parliamentary party. Say nya sa linkage ni here and then so there's a gap between the party and government, and no na be party mu also as obi amama anyem adwuma if you say na be a yemume ana mekasa yentie never again. It should never happen. We can have a set of national leadership that will fight so hard with the parliamentary leadership and then win elections, give birth to government, and the head of government, our president, will then come to know, say, a party, no, and a war, no. And there must be that kind of cordiality, there must be that kind of liaison and a respect, mutual respect between these three groups. So the triangle must work effectively. Now, say, work it effectively. Leadership at all levels must be up and doing. There's no way. And it should never happen again. Say party ni be conform so low. Na party ni be yemremre to the point say afi na atu complaints in ade. Enu nti me hwedin am se dabi. Ade we de ekeka de ne ya ne ekeka ma me. Metimi mayo. Na ade no so say eba ne yo na betimi na wo ye kokwasa na wo ye abro na wamfa ho ama na wa me ya. Obi ye na oye na wanyi ni ya. Oh, can't na utibua edufo. Until let me go on. My dear, ni can say moon sent your phone the both way. Crana mocount. Mona moya mobu acuntana muzebi of I don't know one abit me, Besnequay. Never be some better machimusian. Now, at this critical moment, when him say your core primaries by and che, Nipenum gallant 5 in a coy, Bakuni din quinim, 9 cano. One so abo no abaso. I'm congratulations, but there is the need for all of us. Say you be jare, you home na fi you be kike ho abomu. It's for one idea pneumonia. They have to reintegrate. Na yahwe na bibiaye. Ne no nhia national party leadership a wakukuduru. National party leadership a combine ifie nyansa eni humesua. Ubetimi menim se obo ahwe me degrees ni ade. Ubetimi anya wiase degrees nya. O degrees no dey ato. Ubetimi anya sa degrees ni ade nyina. Bas onyame anom fie nyansa. Obi onyame anom de say akomapa na wa anom ahobrase a sa humasua abodini ni nyina be ye kwa. Utimi fanya.
Ahwe no wakwadru o masuam.
Oh, me nu baby a me dru be du asese.
Obi kitaba ko bi kura ni bi. Of a way to now see happen for.
Say 3 nyanti de. But with him said the bi we say obi amuza me hobby now. Me 2 hobbies. Me hobbies dey me no. Ba ko ye akenkan. O se usia akenkan me hobby. Ana ba ko se na. And me na me fe ni agro. Sisi am no ti hey na bread research semeda. Yezu na studio ni e de na dabi meda. Ubodu ndokura meda.
Why?
Sasa semeda. Ana meda. So, until that's my hobby.
Okay.
Yes, a brand new do let's say meda. Jadi bi ato.
I've been say suffer some wo too much. We are too gentle, we are too soft. And party in opposition no as a hit ever leaders no say omo betimi abo party in power hit. Now omo recapture power 2028.
Time na Florida bantamani ade no na eyemi ahu. Sabre na memre. Se bantama keka no ho na bantama gina na party na santama gina na kunimdi eba New Patriotic Party afa. Oni mi raje ekofo. Ya wokan ya kan sa kire no. Ebinum su o mre ne. Adu ba bi akrakra de ahomete kasa. O sin su ehia mfa nipa gi sin su emi no. And really na mamu tre. Oti ase. Ya bakwasemu ani ya politics mu. To trust them any implementing ade has never had a place. Would the opa share a free soldier abemu a PA the late president Jerry John Rawlings a brow war military jantem the moment about democracy mu pe na our Brazil setting in nyina di ho adanse nka ode na chija Irata Mills ipa nyina hu ni se papa de o mre je kofo beji akonya no kwasi o mre na bede na watimi age na nso beji tumi bu amai obuwie ya apɛ na Ghanafo de ani akoto Irata Mills so ese asumdue hene papa de odadin odabɔkɔ ebra na ado danko akufo ado pre no prinya de na nipa de bon subo kese se na nani de ne dodo na afi na danko akufo ado na ese onyame to nsupagu no so na akora odwebre wo sa bre no start ya no kalipo no so afi na all of a sudden na wadadi wadwo brew Ghana for the to me man fast forward Ira Mahama ewohoi one of the attributes and for here who the to about on one end this cry maybe num susu say omredodo but that is what Ghanaians want. Enunti Dr Bawumia na chreze obi di president if he says asem ya ka bia chere de pe yesu omre anem Ghana for chere say enye wudede ni ye na obeye no if you say amamuo ne amanyo sem ne ade enye ntokwako enye boxing otherwise bukom na wo ho no ring no ho na ne oni akono atiasi ana enya mpo atwa ne kasa gina bobobobo gina o kasa sa bebrebe obi afa anyahwe and this is for ne omuti e konzo a omudi look at their leadership we say dinkatia watotwa de da dabi watiatia mu da dabi wa bosu tuntun sansada Fifi Kwete general secretary ne diminati say so you need people with inner strength. It is about brain work. It's not bro. 107.3. It's about inchiremu any convention. Because baby I had you to be will be out. Yeah. What to me will be out. And the headmaster for what will kick crowd to her. Kolano de nursery class one crowd won't mean your home headmaster now chair by so now we can let alone party members are unu nyina ye tipena we do any na do onko. What is akiki no de kwai? You could read so enti ne nipa kra awo sebe kwala ya wo akwada na nanu so shipi ni ade afand no hospital ko bo doctor maneze meba no ko he kra dodo hyper what you say ebi no mo ba Coca-Cola no so niza kwala bi onum Coca-Cola sisi ya hyper na see ade no hospital nti se we hyper free kwala brim ni amfo an hospital na adi nyina dangerous we did domani manye. We need cool heads. We need deep thinking minds. Ye padwin kese. Ye hwehwe akukudru. Ye hwehwe nia o combine knowledge ni nyinara school knowledge book any fie nyansa indigenous knowledge. One nananom ne papa no matena ya tete wo fie. Na wo nyina so na nyamsuro ti wo mu na se bibi ni a wo de akomapa atodin enunti ana ema the friend conflict and dispute resolution eyedene no if you say we need that attribute no unyu obi a oda boko na unim how to manage issues asem sia untimi nka alternative dispute resolution mechanisms you can apply. It's the same mediation, negotiations, and all those mechanisms need to come to play. Akuma pani adeka. Na pesa Bible aka. Bible say ma immune kotowa bufu so. What do you say? Na be deep party anim. Na dey do any man say 2 minutes na abu afu. We never can na hey. Obeda kan abu. Obeda na wetin the domain. Anu ti obia kasa unia no ebia na opese oso adwen hwekekede. Dey open no. That's what they want. Aba obi be bisa create be bisa say denti na opesa to me bra party opposition na bra party wo power and na bra na wo ya we say party bit menya power one ma for sa position no and then we identify wo party no mu a wo say obi nkum na kokko bi de kwa ma identify A B C D a we person be ni wo party no. When the going gets tough, it is only those who are tough get going. When the going gets tough, it is only those who are tough get going. So, ya wa be mu ni ade bibia sound well. Bibia ko one. Enunti enyakura will be the moment to me be free and sunny bedin kugo no pe, then the expose comes through. Now the current leadership are exposed as to say the expose is there. And the New Patriotic Party has a historical antecedent. The nim na ye say ye kwa abatoɔ so na ye kɔto aba na yedi nkunimu a yemfa abasobɔde ne ma flag bearer no. Tell me you, when we are successful near winning elections, sir, yemfa credit and ma flag bearer. Ye the ma party. 24 teacher general secretary no enunti ana Ewura Dambotwe baby obi anadwe memanajo honorable Dambotwe is the most successful party administration within NPP. If you say bedi general secretary no pick party no from opposition to government or repeat for the second term 2004 ni nyina mu no your bonise a mad and Thomas form manenante so a matonium yina ye and no na free a horn no din Uncle Dan. So fast forward. O free Jumedie numuna na no hinu to be so mu as general secretary no 2008 Nanado Dan kokofu ado be flag bearer. You call Abatros ye din kugo by 34,000 votes. In fact, first round of crowd, he declined by 100,000, but we lost 34,000 votes. Why na ya yam share na ye usun ni dimrika besino ko Kumasi see ko hwe shebrim nti Kumasi nkomodie ma na no hinu to general secretary obebu na konta o se emfa party ne man bio party se debe wadi nkugo ndie emfa ma bio ni de ma Sir John onyame fa ne kransi Sir John sisi no ho aboa no ho o kan de obeka bia ni Ewura ko biche bilam te so be ye chairman ye court 2012 elections ye din kugo ya tie ho ase ye court 2013 court butiae ni ase ne ye nkwe ya no ano ne tamale hona ye ko se ye bro ye nkran ne kusun tamale ti tamale ho ana ye adwene ye ho na Ewura Sir John be kan brofo bia onim party no wadi nkugo ne de that time obia mo na do Dan kokofu ade trees. In fact, the first loss nkrofo bi o ma dwen se ko mu e be tag na do Dan kokofu ado party massive no ye be sama no chance bi o na emum executive no de ye be sam so party yes
but is it fair judgment?
I'm coming maybe
okay
nti tamale it happened to Sir John ene Ewura Jake ana Ewura Kwamina Japan engineer one Ewura Foko Beso ana bibi happen within the line Krachi ani friend John Boadu no a national organizer emerge as acting general secretary ye kwa abato also 2016 agra ni edi nkunim kesepa 169 seats 53% presidential e ho no bia akra Ewura fi say candidate ni na Dan kokofu ado all praises ene animunyam nyina ye de ma John Boadu ni Ewura Fred play e ho no konya adwen kese no bu ni adwen kese anunti ekoduru kofodua no kan asem also me ye acting po mitimi nya sei na me de party na dura mo ya me substantive mitimi de party na kone ni ma chensa na ya dane party ni ma nti e call 2020 election you say mo hona na wi ase how ne niema ahodo nyina ba anunti narrowly ni a win party si wedding kunim kra nyese ni epe near 53%, what they have about 51%. Near 169 seats, what they have about 137 in Tikrache. Ya bank has sports stadium, yam farmer. Now Mrantia, Sabri Oma Boabo, Omaka Nigeria Danamao. And Umusu at the Koboso 2024. Into 137 seats, and Umaba 87. And now 51%, Omaba 41%. And definitely the crossing of Rubicon shall follow as a matter of natural sequence. Because the die is cast.
Oh, funny, and you made the whole camera full.
The die is cast. And so the crossing of Rubicon shall follow as a matter of natural sequence. You didn't kugua, you blame party in 24. You don't blame the flag bearer. That is why Dr. Bawumia won the primaries. Eti binum ya no yese no yese na party for na hiwo musre. O ma dwimpom na hiwo musre dabi. Baby aye ni bre ono nya hor kra na mo hwe no. So they've returned him. Now they are looking up to a new set of national leadership that will bring more vim. Omudi ahoden foforo beba. Omudi nimdia foforo beba. Omudi akwankyere foforo beba. Omudi ahotoso foforo beba. A set of national leadership omubetimi adi na Dr Mahmoud Bawumia na chini na nim na omatini adi dwuma sono de ama party ni agitumi. That's what they are looking up to. Now, the entire me pese me ye general secretary seriously a center. I will not rest until Dr Mahmoud Bawumia is president of the republic. Now, when he was picked as a running mate from the very beginning to Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, he did some unique job. Nkrofon for my drink so no akra de no menya sure say okay. Adwuma so na akra de aye kra menka am no na
over catching na delegacy
to pam pe kakra awanya.
But John Finn was joining here now. Honorable Dr. Henry Kwabena Kokofu Esquire and you know a dinkomo and we were Bassett for Penny NPP, where a former executive director, my EP, and what can some now can who dear chain now has a pepe and SU NPP move. Went to me and you to me no a cratchico. Ubetimianka ye na from na o metwa so but you know can you see the entire opeso secretary nipa.
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ye bibi ma Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo from the very onset. Kopim say President Akufo-Addo we ni dwumadi. Ojina Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo as a flag bearer. Ojina nanim against our major opponent NDC. Nti eduru be bibi no de beto de aboda na Akufo-Addo bia ono no de no hoje. Na ono na rounds no akirekire nsemu na bibi eduru be bi no na yewura mahama na NDC for no ma confused because no mu hu ne omu ne kwa osi akan no because say Dr. Bawumia say wo guys say emre bi President Mahama Kraka say Dr. Bawumia onye president na Nana Akufo-Addo nye president the two so enti that adena oye no just say the best you can have. Into going forward, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia nya nipa bi no ma be di say adwuma na mano. Those who can provide that shield, that barricade, that buffer, and Kwabena Kokofu is ready and prepared to do that. And so you will be a uhuni asem. And so you will be a wodo. And so you will be a ubetimi ati asem na ye kanase no wachirechirim. Na watimi ama the ordinary person. Papa na taxi driver no tie usise no. Truck driver no. Eja ba mo omre dane a odo Kokofu a yewura mahama afa ne sika adie no. So carpenter ni na o wa nwunaga na oye ni nkonwa no. Ni a otia manone na odi ni pa na nso odwene Ghana kanko ne Ghana yie ho. That person must be able to know say akuna ye kono yen yes ahene ye flag bearer no there is a shield that BP the pebinu mo ho a the beto aboni bia they are prepared to absorb now o return fire no. But
what me prompt Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia trimponti or the battle for paying dibre so be shield no make sure say what me recapture power my part in 2028
o tie radio papa as I say o tie papa Utie papa. Now when you move in Pempi cry ya de amobi a ya na unta nyu no kura city o ma na surprise. Enti party man e beto aba no. O mu na sa nkomodie ne beko.
Okay.
One party uranum the delegates they will have to choose many anum delegates. Mu hia general secretary obi ginam ama flag bearer no. Odin hu be si ho abo afore. Nansem hunu ni kontompo ni nada ya tobro no mre bi atwam ko egu nanimu ase ma bi kan se be na yire odi na kire e kan sem anim di gu no so a yenya obi biara yenya systems yeni strategy biara di protecting no. Now you have Kwabena Kokofu, bring me on board, I'll provide that buffer, I will make that shield. Ya be si pampim ni ya make sure say we can debate o kontomponi bia wo Ghana be senipano opposition party from within or CSO or from where I'll bet person or bet can see the image of your flag bearer. Maybe I can hear and then penifua a bedi campaign anymore. Never have come now kokofu your general secretary. You provide that shield. We will make sure. You pay bombarding. Says Obia to Boba the boy Bawumia. You bury 10 or Bawumia and son to the person.
Hey, but no.
I didn't say boot for boot, but boot for 3 boots. And you one boot to be.
I'm to Bobako over to me and son.
Seriously. As a general secretary, Nana communicator, na me head. See a chance, Semuna, ya ye contemporary free no crown. Na you ya done their bro. And we will be on the offensive. We won't wait for you, grass or Baba attacking. What do you say? Tokwebi a cause baby, what was that yet? Huh?
Chances of MPP 2028 at the same, so be a secretary.
Well, the H. Gwina Kobe in Adi, a dance deal hope fee. So one. Nipadudona de yaw near Bufu and Kotwaba, Titru Miama Santime. And a gun in Dodona. Dodona charge, Cassia Nuya. Best dress our phone, and Yashi. Ebia Manisa Kenya, when Yamin quine of us were Nadine. Ibia or ma quine, ama Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia MPP for Missa Akoya, be an uncome from Sobi. Ye, anane ekosu krake ye ni ameyahuso. Enti break na abemuno ye jitum ye denya me ase. Ase bi ade bi emfa ase dama no. Tie de ase dama no. Na emom ye pini ye chi na ye do so ye ho ne akwa yi kakra no. Abeda di pefe. Ni ye ya eye under Kufuor's government. Under J Kufuor's government. Ye bi so mu se twi. Ni agbo ho dawuro. Na ye defend it to the health. Ni amanfo susu se ye ya amoa ye betwe ho afiri ho baby okra na se amadi bi ma we are sure and prepared if you say ye can defo no wa ho brase eni ni die magana fo ye nso a ye be form the next national leadership no we have that spirit ye ni gana fo be kasa e wo no krem eni ni die aho brase mu na ye wi a ye ni anya ho no ya bomodina say ye be die ho so na ye de ho ni de friend discipline uko suku uwa adwumam be bibia wo the first thing is discipline sabi previous amowa ha mo ye adwuma mo ne management ye adwuma discipline hu hia mo pa ana obi a betimi ade ope
discipline kwa wari ase kwa wanya wari edugu
ote ase I saw them na catkis na wu nse ho so na okeka de ope bia so for ono nsino I saw penny cry no just we say a kind collection to collection we near kan except so we are very disciplined we dia grass so penny or no teme basa so
about quickly by elections we be across yet
then we are disciplined we are now if you wish you kabo unity or make sure say the ya form no the ono wa form near adwin bi kire say ono ebi nyina na reality perceptions ye dey san ntemi nyina abeche na yate ye ho asese ye do ye ho a enye chi ketrema ne simple eko ye fa no kre enye adwuma ye de ye adwuma ne ye boa saa ne ma nyina no wi a okwan ne ye nim onyankopon de oman ne be hye nsebio Ghana for de oman ne be hye nsebio na de ekosu ye ye twagui ye ekosu any de day anymore ebe me prediction bi or how me nim se me ye bia me se me sire onyankopon me panichew omoya na under Mahama administration mo ma yo ne bia nsi wiase na mfa wo hawo ma na ho ntansa ni bi me kan wo Ghana ha na senya saa no munya akukoduro ehwe Ghana fo anim no mu ko make reference to wiase how be said nti e de ahokyera ba na chese omuni Ghana fo ani anunti ye hwe animu ozo mu ko de crisis meeting
o kasa na wo kan nyina eye se GTA wo mu se 2028 NPP beba power.
Sure.
But you talk about general elections 2024 we by elections we bring across party na lose. Indictment or failure on the part of the national executives
well, sir, Jawa.
Yeah, they are swell.
Ana medical kan ye kwa batro so na nkunim die ba wa wudi animu national executive mu na ye de abaso bobo mu nyasa nti nkugo ba untimi nredue mu malaboni emma asase pa studio emahwehwe bono hene na wo de blame na koma no anaza na ye
dabi when say
men try say me pass judgment current executives. I leave that judgment to party members, particularly delegates. If you say, "Enyumbi or see me penku biu," it's out to my mind.
Meaning kukobiu.
Mean penku go biu.
Agraba penyo no penku kubiu.
Mean penku go biu yeswe. Man kunim nya mediada. Ache. Hwehwe na no na ekọ. Penku go biu. What do you say? On the onset of Dr. Bawumia as the flag bearer of the New Patriotic Party, the losing streak must cease. Say, as I say, new faces, new leadership, new thinking, new direction. Na no and the man could go na sizi. Now kunim diebe shasi dia. That is what it should be.
Right. Ava a few national meaning comfortano.
Oh.
Comfortano.
Most people over 40 will enter.
National issues. Sima dupe na fe. Yenya wakra na temi kope baby eda.
Right.
My name is William. Wait.
We so ye na akono ye mpenku go bie wo yesu
and every
man kunim ade bo we mam do
Taiwan will tell me that you also need to da come to yem. There is always tomorrow.
Yeah.
And that watching our ewo. Ma me ever kokofu asemi ba ye. Abai mampayin call or my image if you were justified the entire producer price. Ya teso. Was think ya antisoa Quebec or Ghana billions of cedis. This year Kojebosia near Timidia bo ye home bra. My name say cocoa farmers people or nam for Santumanta muso mudria cocoa pa what ye to say that tibia bang and who is a woman will name sorry.
My main answer bibi kakra. Cocoa farmers ye nam for Santaman so idria cocoa pa. But you be surprised at me a cocoa farmer.
Wow.
Yeah, me for wa makrum ne mredane. So unim
I'm ready sunyane mredane.
Unim ai kunsu yoso.
Debi.
Oh, mankranso.
Mankranso bi no.
Ofa mankranso kwan se de okotepa no. Utra kunsu tra yoso hwiba na akwa nyina su. Benkum so no nyina su benkum so na akọ ai betiako. Uko tia na akotepa. Betiako kwan no.
I know you Ghana pa o.
Oh, na betiako kwan no bo pompa na mredane wo ho. Na makrum so to aso. My papa was a successful cocoa farmer. Indeed, me papa. Me. Or ye juma or Ghana Cocoa Marketing Board. Or Isaiah Abidru Regional Depot Manager. Oni PZ Peter Zokonis. Eye juma muto cocoa. Oni UAC United Africa Company eto cocoa. And in that process no odo cocoa fu bebre o man to odijai. Nti me a cocoa farmer by proxy. Just a brave and good.
Okay.
Nti me sabre no ye chief labor batu ono no ne ho den papa. Nti cocoa kono obo atodwe na afi cocoa na so no obo na oye no hatani enum na sabre akwada kwankwa na msanem me wi cocoa ti se the American cat. Cocoa beans dry one.
Yeah.
Oh, me wi ti se the me nyini ye na menya bi. Nkra ha se mu ni cocoa. So mo kan mu nua cocoa da. Ba mi hu cocoa dia kofo aye flowers yi cocoa ma mu da. Nti se ye ka cocoa asem na cocoa clinic nkra ha nesie. Cocoa marketing board cocoa board nkra ha nesie. In fact, scholarship cry de ma cocoa market scholars nkra ha ne e che no. nti yeye kuafo no de oman no abuya bra yesu fretete. It took Kufuor His Excellency Aban the year 2001 na MPP ba bem na cocoa industry ni gu. When him say people have thought to cry say cocoa marketing mod yengu no under PNDC eba be wura eba NDC 1994 Republican Ghana. Now cocoa board has been indicted. Etina cocoa industry na a decline to a point to say Ghana na export to 375,000 metric tons. Google na check mami. Kufuor any MPP ababa na si dabi. Ye nyina ye wa nyina wuni papa nye kwani umami nye kwani kura cocoa sika hwe usuku pen. Until we are obligated as a party and as a government to revamp the cocoa industry. It's one of the major things you Kufuor abaye MPP abaye ye tanka ho asem kopim sa asem yaba. And the revamping of the cocoa industry. Enti kwabi aso ye say o ya ene cocoa akuafo ye nkotwa cocoa na anyine nunua no ye twangu na ye nua foforo ma ho ye nkrampan ye nyese odifa so create nyuma ma mabunu. Ye twa cocoa nugu a seedlings ye de ma no ye hybrid improved varieties kanen na kan fie nso ansa na aso iru akofo pence 2.5 years to 3 years na cocoa ne so afi ukai cocoa mass spray farm akura bia se obedru obi nkobuso obi card obi so behwe na egu cocoa no so na ye fa extension officers na o ma wie university a Greek extension of atena fie no munya adwumanye and daje akofo pence na fa won bebrebe ye distribute o ma cocoa farmers all in the name say ye revamp sabre no mu ana yeru akofo ehwe din no se da bi se say ye twa cocoa nagu ye ni si afi na ebe so monye the friend sakes no plantain bode ye de memema kuafo enum ne ade fanfafu na sintu utwa bi die na ton bi na de bi bo ho bra na de yesi kopim se cocoa ni bepeja ye wie no se da bi ade no sani aye no yemfa national health insurance mra. If you say the ordinary cocoa farmer, indeed all Ghanaians adwumayefo apomudin ni ade hia pa ba cocoa farmer no dodo na nyinyini wo mpani fie so se na pom dodo no na okọ hospital na onya sika na omfantua eno no so kra ma productivity kofo enti se introduce national health insurance saafo no benya kwan enya quality and affordable healthcare. And it's hard now, you're for the buy. MPP for the something in Chiremo. The fapping pan in Yinaswakasi, the target was the cocoa farmer. Because it came in tandem with the revamping of the industry. Say, I should share cocoa, man, ye no, and a national health insurance in the Babecan. A year no there be see at the baby adron, Quadel was a kumen crasian. Adriani omubedi wusukunti. Awo for ne akuafo ni timi nyama won nti kwadana kafi nti ye introduce bibia a friend school feeding program na saa for no nya anya akwara no onim se okọ school akomone no nti obekọ na chese eno soso emeye adwuma ewie na se da bi se enuanom maanom ne yerenom ma won kuro nkuma mu tituru akuafo nom ne ade ofa yafunu no onyinsepe sika de bekọ asipiti akohwe ne ho ahwe akola na yedene nti ne saade ya introduce free maternal care ne amfa no so somra ejisi ya de no ba na ebewura mu a na chese ni nyina no kokọ akuafo ne ye ne atin kronkuma mu ne ye ne ye mobro ewo omamu
atimi support
social interventions ni nyina chi no si nipa wo ho wapomuden ye wakọ hospital wayo na kapreba na abotomu a ahomete nti introduce the friend lip no sikan kuma bi yemfama mobro wafo enti Kufuor person we started register omo cocoa growing areas and other rural areas beneficiaries no and then we no ba ye nkran ha no mo enya hwe de mpanifo ha but menu nyina age tum se mia otemre dane sorry a kapre ne da makura ohun bi da no saafo no ni so eno so ye de babe joy It is a wohwɛ saa strange of saa social interventions yi nyinaa na ɛkwa kusima mobrowa na hwan na mobɔ ɛwɔ memu dan meneu yɛ wɔ fa yɛ papa nom ne maame nom asɛ bi o maka nkuru kuma mu a o mu da so kura krante mu ɛdɔ ɛsɛm fifire ɛbɔkoko hata ɛma yɛ bɛtwe de kɔ ɛkɔtɔn gisika twitwi die de hwɛ ɔman enti we did all that ɛno na chi sabre no ma ye kan nyina there was a time a ewiase nyina koko bo no kɔfom yeru akofo se da bi ye koko fo no ye dom ye papa ne ye maame no enu nti ebo na kɔfom kra kwa bi e befa so a ye be maintain bo no because now the tradition is afibia see atum yes afibia tu koko nti bra bo no kɔfom we maintained it and I'm so my kofo penso yet 760,000 metric tons. The records are there. I mean, I predict this going forward, we will hit 1 million metric tons mark. And we did it. Yes, sir. About saying a nosedive. To the point that 2016, 2017 precisely, you were kufuado ba bem. Now, problems are cocoa board, na sabe no fadodo na akopie court ene mu nsem ne nsem bebrebe na fi emu ayedene kuku na se aban no san pem nhihye foforo sa plantains akesi ye san supply farmers biem afi hand pollination kane wo twen na mframa aho ana anoma bi afafanto bi ana insect bi akosi we so no de abeka we na adimu afi ye kire nipa ye fa nipa ne ye de yensa ye afi kuafo no hu se kuku no so doso ntiaru akufo ado hwedi no se de 2017 na ewiase kuku sikari nyina abona kofom se de na akofom yewu but abani se de bi se ka se ye hwe kuku farmer anim ne atebo no so because ewiase de akofoma ne ne na anini enti aban kushine aban mene ana odebo akuku farmers fast forward 470 Ghana cedis per bag nyasa ni ru akufu asi debi ewiase konanim ahokyere wo kakra dwayafo akatua ye tum ye maame ne papa num kuya kokofo ya hwe anye on bibi ebe ha no de 3100 NDC for in opposition mu na om de kum president yo ho ikabi finance minister kabi agric minister kabi na on gra minim na mintibi nyotwe nyadwa obia ekukuru microphone ne ho ahwa de kosi koko growing areas eye press conference efrefre koko farmers nyina so mo mehwe ade akufo adoaye we nipa bonuni ese so ma won 6,000 Ghana cedis ana onye no mu de omu ba ba mu a ombe ma kuani no 6,000 cedis ewo bag biaso mo ba mantimi anye mo di jama 100 asese na koka ema no kra minim kuani bi o kan se o sre president mama 100 no de abeka wonyim free so
no nya na on fa na na
the dia na mano was sre no on fa 100 na kufu ado 3,001 no pensa ana fofi anto ata afede ya to suhwimi aba 2,600 na de yakra ne ses besi ne abanda ho de akuafo ni bi ka oni ntua onka aya to kokoro a wasan tebo no so anti de wo beto no wate so eti ade ayam hihia abre won ede papa ko msi wanya be 76 years yeso na duru a ese okoto na ode hwe no ho yare yintua ne kokoo kanenti ontimi 20 wawu wa frim bisi ara ho sema asie no wa frim a chese na mane na busuafo so mu twa adwo ani enti only God knows akuafo dodo sen na wo sa atebia no na sa upu bi kura yi ne tiri ho a na kokoo kuani mobrowa na okoyi ne tiri ho now obia so president mama nko state of the nation okoye na ese ko ka kire se sika na ohia na de beso akuafo de no so sa 1,000 ye keka ni nyina bom abe ese ese ko mi hu ana our idea no
Debbie
because omu claim say economy na yi dollar kofom ora as one sika o magigi free
yeah recover be 600,000 Ghana cedis 600 million yeah
cedis yes sir na gold nso ya ton bi pa because near what 32 metric tons
so yeah to me atonya 10 billion
eba na ne sa asem na de o munya kan eba near what 32 metric tons yes sir ana akufu adu free abem ko no di jam mo ba na mbo modena na mo de 6 kan ho ne kudu 38 edu 38 pe ana makoton mu 18
sese aka 18 reserves yeah
ana maton 18 no se moton ma hwan mon kan kire se moton e munya sika sei mon kan kire na die nti na mamoton e no so mon kan kire we the three things why the sale 2 to whom 3 I thought a revenue say na munya mon kan anyenyem bia sa gold na maton no any recovery 600 million na mwanya no enti kana entimi nso akurafo no sika so na yemfa ma wo mu enti nanka entimi ntwia nurse ne teacher for 13 months arrears na yedina na enti na entimi emwa ma electricity bo na akosoro hwimhwimhwim na aban intervene na. These are all legitimate questions sir. O manfo esesemo me atwe adwede koso ensem hia ne nsem musa ehia na assemble ne ko bia assemble puno the downfall of President Mahama ne NDC abai has begun with the cocoa crisis. Oil crisis will follow, the forest will then follow. Ho ani be hunu kuntumpu ne nokre na ne ho ode
mera se honorable Dr. Henry Kwabena Kokofu Esquire sorry finally MPP 40 Ghana 40
anadwi de koda etitia aseda ne de matwedi ampo yesre ne se o ma de pabin ntie minua New Patriotic Party ni awutie me e ma waba mu Dade Lumba Charles Kojofus anya ne baby ko ose ni da so ho mu bia ni da so ho ma me ni da so ma ho ma ni da so ho ma o my Ghana ene Ghana fo enti mesre mo mayen keka ye ho de hia ne se de ho mfum so beche de hia ne se ye be make sure say no kre ye de be ye adwuma de hia ne se ye de mpai bopa e betai ye frankani achi na ne ho kafo ne anuanom a se be ye be ka no ho na ye nyina ya bo ntoa no ye de nyame ase New Patriotic Party ye pe and you provided my Ghana with 2 living presidents, former presidents. These are living agents. One ye nipa bia o man non kasa na wo won ana o man nan kasa ma won gina bre na o abesum o man onyame adaroma on tiase momma de bia ye ko ekotodwa ni ma ye mompaye ma momma ye ntontomo na ye ni woni na ye ntie won na ye hunu se panini fia dwie wuni panini na akono obi to ne bafoa na de bia to tirim na nadu dan ko ekufu ado legacy je ekufu legacy ye fapem nia Dr. Bawumia beye biara as president, he will make reference, he would need these foundations to move on. And no na momi emfanya yasem. Momi emfa abatwa no to yachi. Moma yemi rimfi nia ebae. Yemfa no kra nya adwuma na yempepa ye ho chew. Yempepa ye ho nisuo. Na okono daso ye radeko.